Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks so much for joining us. Once again, we appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, share this video, leave a message in the comments. Let us know who we should draw next. Today we are drawing Austin Reaves of the Los Angeles Lakers NBA basketball team. Austin Reaves played college basketball for Wichita State, the Shockers, and Oklahoma Sooners. He joined Los Angeles Lakers as an undrafted free agent. He's a 6'5" superstar making waves in the NBA, and we have received a few requests for this player, so let's get started. Find your center of the page up and down, and the center of the page across, and then go up, and we will start to draw Austin Reaves' cartoon head right up here. I got my black Sharpie today, and we are going to start with the jaw. We're going to go down, and up. Kind of a skinnier, longer face shape. Some bigger ears. We're going to go up, kind of pop those ovals, a couple of sideways ovals on the side of the head for ears. Now starting at the top of the ear, we'll go up, and down to the other ear. So I went up and out, came to the top, rounded out, and into the ear. All right, so a couple of, find the top of the ear right here. We're gonna do sideways oval, number 1, sideways oval, number 2. These ovals are a little skinnier, a little squished. Austin Reaves has smaller eyes, and we will do a circle on top, circle on top. Those are gonna stay white. Those are the highlights, and we're gonna fill in around those circles with our dark marker. And then really quick, I'm going to grab light blue and outline that black with light blue just to add a little bit of color to Austin Reaves' eyes. There we go, easy. And then we're gonna find the edge of the eye, come down, make a dot. Edge of the eye, come down, make a dot. Those are gonna be the nostrils, the edge of the nose. And I'm gonna do little tiny arches for nostrils. He's kind of got smaller nostrils. There we go. Okay, and find the center of the face, come down, make a dot. That's going to be the center of the lip. We'll go up, down, up, and so I've made this kind of swoop up. So he's kind of got this smile that's one-sided. So we did that. Angle down the mouth and angle up. Color the corners of the mouth with the dark marker. I'm going to actually bring a tooth line right there. There we go. He's got a couple of dimples, smile lines, however you want to call it. There we go. Now we will do the neck really quick. Down, down, and then a rounded U shape. Shoulder angle, sideways U for the jersey, the armpit area, angle in down to the waist, come across and angle up to the other armpit area, and go down, down. This is the waistband of the shorts. That's going to be colored purple for the Lakers. We'll angle this out for the shorts, angle that out for the shorts, up, down, and connect, okay? Let's do the legs. We'll start wide up here, and then we'll go down kind of skinnier as we get to the ankle. Good job. All right, cool. Now let's do the shoes. Big oversized clown shoes is what I like to call them. These are the tongues of the shoes, and then we go up, up, up. Those bumps, bump, bump, bump. Those are the shoelace bumps. And bring the toes out and down. Come straight across and stop around the heel, and then connect that heel to the leg. Bring this heel down, stop. Straight across to the edge of the page on this side, stop. Up, round it out, and connect to the shoelace. There we go, there's the shoes. We're gonna do a big basketball over here. Austin Reaves dribbling the ball for the Lakers. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Circles are hard anyways, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingers dribbling that basketball. And we're gonna do a shoulder that bumps out, shoulder that bumps out, arm, arm. That connects to the basketball, kind of hides behind the basketball there. Bump, bump, and hides behind the basketball. Now over here we do a bump, bump, long bump to a wrist. Get the thumb, curve to the finger, connect, and there's a finger back behind there. All right, cool, we have Austin Reaves blocked out. Now let's do some details really quick. I'm gonna get, let's see, we're gonna get a brown. Make sure I get the right brown. I thought I was prepared and I'm not, so here we go. Let's get the, okay. I got kind of this dark brown for his hair. We'll start here below the ear, come up. Make some bangs. Make some other side hair. I don't know what you call it. Bring it down and connect. Okay, so we'll color this. We'll color this in brown in a minute. Let's give him some eyebrows. Same color as the hair. Arch, up and down. We'll color those in. Arch, up, and connect and color those eyebrows in with the brown. There we go. Looking good. Put this away. Let's grab the purple. I'm gonna get this, the Lakers purple. And I'm gonna make a gap, so leave a white stripe around the neck, then do a purple stripe. So it's gonna go white, purple, yellow. So there's a purple. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna do a purple around the armpit area, purple. So we leave the white gap there. And we will do purple on the edge over here. Purple on the bottom. Purple on the edge. Purple on the bottom. I'm gonna do a purple stripe coming down the shoe. We'll fill that in. And then we'll do a purple waistband there. Now let's do the number 15. Here we go. We're gonna do straight. If you need to pause and go over the numbers, these are kind of hard. Numbers are always hard, as I always say. They're even hard for me, so feel free to pause, take your time, look at a picture. All right, kind of not too happy with that 5, but hey, it'll do. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color these in with the purple. Kind of fill in the colors. And then I'll hit fast forward and you can follow along on fast forward to fill in the jersey. We'll do a yellow jersey. What I've been doing lately with the drawings is I have not been writing the logo. I kind of leave that up to you if you want to do that. It's kind of your choice. It's a little hard to do. It's a little detailed, and for a kid drawing, I'm leaving it out. So feel free to do it if you'd like. So Austin Reaves, Los Angeles Lakers, thank you so much for requesting Austin Reaves. We really appreciate hearing from you guys. Let us know what you think of this drawing, and don't forget to subscribe. Fast forward now.